everybody, and welcome to the weekly market outlook. So hope guys that you're doing well. So let me just quickly confirm that everything works fine. YouTube and TradingView, please. I see that you guys are already active in the chat on TradingView. Perfect. Hello. Previous week it's been an amazing week, right guys? And it's supposed to be the good week as well for you, all of them who are following me and who've been there with us previous Monday, okay? We moved now the webinars from Sunday to Monday, so that's what I said, Sunday. So perfect, thank you very much Nemanja for confirmations on YouTube, and thank you as well for confirmations on TradingView. Good job. So if you guys have any questions, just feel free to use the chat there on TradingView, and for those who are watching me on YouTube, feel free to use the chat there as well. Okay, so I will answer all your questions, so don't feel ashamed to ask anything. I'm here to help you understand and share with you the analysis with you. Okay, just a minute guys. We will start quickly. Okay, so as we seen that crypto market, it's been down nicely as we were expected. Okay, so I really feel sorry and bad for all those who didn't there with us, who didn't listen us on previous weekly market outlook, because we've been talking about that the whole crypto market will go down. Okay, it will collapse, and what happens, it really went down. Okay, so really sorry for those who have a losses there on crypto, and those who listed me and used the leverage and take some trades on crypto, on the sell of course, and made a nice profit. They did a really good job, and that's what I want from you. Okay, so I'm really happy when I see you guys in profit. Okay, so I'm really happy when you are making profit and understanding what I'm saying and following what I'm saying. That's it. Okay, it's really simple. Okay, just lower your ego and that's it. Just listen and enjoy your profit. That's all what you have to do. Okay, so let's go. Let me just share or talk about what we have shared over there and what is good to watch still. Okay, so Aussie Usd, that was an old idea. I have updated it on the weekly market outlook previous Sunday. Then I have posted the Luna USD, the crypto. Okay, as well, it went down as well nicely. If you took a sell over there on those strong breaks downside on lower time frame, you will be able to find a lot of sell setups. And of course there was one more deeper pullback. If you took a sell, of course you are again in the profit. Okay, so it's really simple. And now what it's trying to do, it's again building some sell setups, at least back at the previous low, or break it and then turn to the upside. So which one, I have no idea. If you take it, just watch it. Okay, don't ignore it. You're not a long-term investor, so keep an eye on it on Luna USD. Pound New Zealand didn't do anything. Okay, just struggling there at the top, didn't give us any sell setup. Okay, so there wasn't any sell setup. Okay, sell setup is this, and nothing else can be the sell setup. So we didn't have anything there at the top, so just ignore it. Not the idea which you have to trade. UK 100, this is still there at the top and still a lot of potential. It's over there. Okay, so as you can see, we are there at the top. Okay, and a lot of trades can be made over there, or let's say a lot of profit can be made over there. So if you go and watch the updates, price has just started to struggle, and then finally on Friday starts to give us some confirmations. See, first expanded flat and then went lower, than another one. Okay, another flat was formed over there on Friday, and then it just started pushing lower. Okay, so I have updated you, and that's what you're supposed to trade. Okay, this is the trade that you have to take, and now it's somewhere there. I think it pushes lower. So let me just have a quick look. Yes. What else? Euro yen, that one was the perfect one, which I have shared with you. Okay, so if you do sell the breakout, if you sell the breakout, you did a really good job. Okay, a nice profit. It went lower. Okay, and there was another one. I think it was Wednesday or Thursday. I think, I'm not for sure which day it was, but there was again the correction which we were watching. We sell again there on the breakout or early entry. Okay, and then again, this is the new trade. So at least two trade or at least one trade is what you should have over there. Okay, depends on your knowledge, depends on your skill. So what I do recommend you now is watch this low. Okay, watch this low. If you're still having open trades from there and there or there, watch now. Okay, because you will have to take off your profit if this will start to struggle and pushing higher. Okay, take off your profit and wait for this correction to complete itself, and then you will sell again. Okay, so you will have enough time to get into the market again. Okay, so don't be worried or don't feel stressful to take off your profit. And of course there's the pound USD. It took up some more time before it breaks lower. Okay, so it took, I think, few more hours, or let's say one day more. Okay, 24 hours before it breaks down finally. Okay, so once I posted the analysis, it was struggling there. You should not sell this one. This is not what we call a strong breakout. So it went for one high and just completed this big correction over there. Okay, so the correction just get bigger, and if you sold there, you are in the profit, or you should be in the profit. So this is it, and yeah, the others are just the old ideas. Okay, so BNB Bitcoin, that one just went lower, but yeah, it's an old idea. So that's it, right? Your cat, this one is supposed to be taken off with the profit already. Okay, oops, sorry, this should be taken off with the profit. Okay, so this is it. I will try to update and share more setups with you there on TradingView. Okay, but I cannot post all the setups over there on TradingView because it will not be fair versus traders who are inside of our academy. We are having many more we have many more setups, many more trades. We are keeping an eye on the whole dollar market. Okay, so through previous week we were selling the USD pairs. Okay, so we were selling the dollar pairs, we were selling the pound USD. Okay, that's what we did, and we sold Euro USD as well. Okay, we were selling across the market all the dollar pairs, but the euro dollar, it's not moving so aggressively, so I removed this trade. Okay, it's not going aggressively or how I anticipated. And of course New Zealand USD, that one went amazingly. Okay, there was a strong break to downside, it dropped slower, so nice profit was over there, so we can slowly watch to take off our profit. Okay, and as well there was the Aussie USD. Okay, Aussie USD, once this was in the making, we were watching closely. Okay, we were watching closely for this correction to go higher and then start breaking, and what we did, we start selling it. Okay, and then there was another sell, we took a sell. Okay, so this is just the big difference being inside of our academy. Okay, we are tracking those corrections, how they are developing and which we should take. Okay, and we analyze that from all the dollar pairs, we will not take the USD chief. Okay, so why? Because as you can see, from all the dollar pairs, this one didn't place well. Okay, didn't place out well, because if dollar went higher, okay, that one should go higher, but this one went lower instead. Okay, that was the reason. We were buying the dollar, so based on that, we were selling Aussie USD, New Zealand USD, Euro USD, and Pound USD. Okay, that's what we did, and we were ignoring the USD chief. Okay, we know that this one will not go higher. There was a clear structure for sell, and that was the reason why we took a sell and we just simply ignore the USD chief. Okay, been warning traders to not sell or to not buy, sorry, USD chief. Good one, Nemanja. Nemanja is saying if you're not making money with us, you are not doing something right. That's totally true. It's totally true. So I can guarantee that all members of the academy who are following, who are just following the setups that we share and we talk about, they are 100% in the profit. Okay, that's not possible that you will not be in the profit. So let's go now to the setups for the upcoming week. I will still, or let's say we will still watch the dollar to continuously pushing higher. Okay, if we watch the daily, I can still see this one as a buy setup. Okay, these two slowly pushing higher and higher. Okay, so that's what we are aiming for. But can it happen as well? The dollar will drop down? Yes. Okay, possibility exists that this could start dropping lower. Will this change any setups? Yes, it will. Definitely, it will change the setups because it will just dollar will just drag back at those lows. Okay, so we have to be careful, especially this week, what the dollar will do. So keep an eye on it and don't ignore the moves over there. Okay, look at that one. Okay, we can just easily tag those tops over there and then it can start dropping, so be careful. If you're not sure or if you have a bad entry on dollar pairs, I do prefer taking off your profit because you can be easily out with break even. Okay, and we don't want to be out on break even. So what we should do is I would wait for more corrections over there. Okay, even bigger correction over there before this will start pushing higher. Okay, so just a second, guys. Okay, so what we will do, we have to be aware of this drop down. Okay, this can as well drop down and dragging all the way back at this low. This will give us some information for more buy. Okay, this is what exists as well. Okay, the one sell or one red candle will not indicate that this is going to the downside. Okay, but the strong break to downside will indicate that this will drag back at this low. Okay, so really be careful how this is developing during the week, next week. Okay, USD CAD, what is doing? USD CAD is trying to push higher. There was one small correction. I personally didn't took it, would wait more. Okay, so I want to see the deeper correction before I will get in. Okay, so I do prefer I1 for watching 1 hour corrections. Okay, so how far this can go? Okay, so how far this can go? This could still go down, so that's the reason why you should not be a buyer. Okay, or at least not with the without big correction. Okay, always wait for the bigger corrections before you will trigger the buy over there. Okay, that could still be a nice expanded flat over there and still to push down. Okay, the room still exists over there. This to be a big flat over there and then going higher, and DXY still has a room to drop. Okay, still has a room to drop, so be cautious. If do so, then the USD Chief will be the good chart. Okay, so if the dollar starts dropping, then USD Chief will become a good chart. How it will develops, okay, something like this over there will be the structure. Okay, big structure in play and then more upside. Okay, so this will be the move over there on the USD Chief if the dollar starts dropping. If the dollar is not dropping, then we will not watch the dollar Chief. Okay, simple as this. If dollar is rising, then we are ignoring the USD Chief, but if the dollar is dropping, then we are watching USD Chief. Okay, it's simple. It's everything relies on the dollar movement. Okay, so we have some fundamentals as well this week, so be careful. We will have a momentum over there on the dollar. USD Mexican, what else can we expect over there? These to go higher, okay? Just keep on going higher, back at those highs at least, and then we will see. Okay, so short-term trade at least. Short-term trade or back at these highs. USD South African Rand. What it's trying to do there was the sell setup. I'm not preferring you sell anymore. Oh, sorry. I do not prefer you to sell USD South African Rand because we are running out of the momentum, and if the dollar goes higher, then we will be keep dragging higher this pair as well. Okay, so daily structure is over there. Okay, these two keep on going higher, so let me just draw that correctly so you will understand what I'm saying. Basically, we'll take off everything. Okay, want to make things clear for you. Okay, so this is the structure that I'm talking about. Okay, if the dollar starts rising, then it will be the good chart. Okay, these two keep on dragging higher, back at those highs at least. Okay, so you have a nice trade over there on the South African Rand. 1 hour as well, but oops, but it's not ready yet, like I said. Okay, so it's not ready yet. Okay, we have a nice sell setup, we are running out of the momentum. This still doesn't mean anything. Okay, we need to totally break up, then pull back, then we'll start buying it. Okay, so don't be too early, but definitely it will be the good chart. Aussie USD, more than a wonderful chart over there. Okay, so it starts breaking down. We've been selling it from there and there. Okay, we have a two sells on the Aussie USD, big sells. And what the price is doing now, it's trying to break down aggressively. Okay, it will go down, so this week I do recommend you watch for the continuation trades all the way back at this low. Okay, so keep an eye for all the continuation trades there back at the previous low. This is our target, this is what we will do, but definitely will not sell right now. Okay, don't jump into the market based on the analysis. You need to see, or you need to have a correction. Okay, correction is all what it needs. Correction lower, correction lower, correction lower, correction lower. Okay, like this, simple. Aussie New Zealand not tradable for me right now. We are at the top, that's true, but there is no signs of any drop, at least not yet. But if do so, if it corrects sideways, give us this the impulse, and then going lower, then this will be the good chart. Aussie Chief, these two keep on dragging back at these lows, so watch for sell stops. If you're already in, great, then keep on adding. Keep on adding, we will visit the previous low. Aussie USD, Aussie CAD, sorry. If you're a seller, take off your profit. Okay, if you're a seller from there, take off your profit, because this is gonna go into the bigger correction over there. Okay, so something like this, 1, 2, 3, back at this high, and then it'll start dropping for one more wave to the downside. Okay, so keep an eye there, don't hold it, because you can be stopped out on the break even, and this is the bad. So we don't want trades to be close to the break even, we want them to be close to the profit. So let this move to appear, and then we'll be sellers again. Okay, don't try to catch this movement. Okay, it's not good, and we do not recommend you catching these movements over there as well. New Zealand USD, if you took it, great. If you didn't, leave it. Okay, now it's gone. Okay, it's gone, and selling around the previous low, breaking it, I do not recommend. Okay, I do not recommend selling once we tag the previous low, because it can easily go to the upside. So that's the reason, the main reason why you should not watch to sell or for any sell setups over there. Simply just ignore it. Okay, trade the other dollars, they are much better. Oh, sorry. New Zealand Chief, there was the sell breaking lower, there was again another sell there in the morning, short-term sell, of course, which can struggle there, and of course goes into the deeper correction. Let's see what it's trying to do. if you do take a sell over there, I don't recommend you holding it for a while. Okay, 1 to 1 and get out. 1 to 1 get out. If you're holding it or selling from there, you're selling it from the good spot. Whereas our next target, even deeper. Okay, so this can go even deeper, back at those lows somewhere there. Something like this will become 1, 2, 3, and then we'll see if one more correction appears, then we are going totally back at the previous low. Okay, so hold it, but 1 to 1 take off. Okay, 1 to 1 take off, because it will be a bigger correction, then you'll sell again. I'm talking about these trades over there. If you take this trade 1 on 1, take off your profit. If you're holding this, then once this starts to pull back, as well close it. Don't hold it too much. New Zealand cat, I don't recommend you taking trades over there. This move is supposed to be finished already. Okay, so slowly dying out. There won't be any trades probably in the next few weeks, so simply ignore it. Okay, don't watch it. If during the week we will have a buy setup, then yes, you can go for it. Okay, but the really nice 1 hour buy setup is what you need, but I'm not sure that we'll get it. Maybe by the end of the next week, or by the end of this week, we will have it. Euro dollar, it's over there, and it relies on the dollar, of course. Now we have to see if this will stop somewhere there, started to struggle, then one more wave to the upside can appear. Okay, what we want to do, or what we want to see, is this strongly pushing back at this low over there. Okay, so we need momentum. And we want to see dollar rising. Okay, dollar rising will cause that euro dollar will go back at those lows, and you will have a nice opportunity. I personally removed the trade over there, took a small profit, and I'm out. What I will do during the week, I will wait for bigger corrections over there. Okay, so we'll wait for drop more and give me the bigger correction before I will go for the sell. Still not used to weekly being on Monday and not Sunday. Yeah. It's a bit weird. Market is live and we're having the outlook. There are some benefits maybe based on that. Okay, so your cat, what else do we have there? Your cat starts its movement already, so it looks that cat is losing its strength across the market. But let's see what is the bigger movement. I will still wait more. Okay, I will still wait more. Let it go higher, let it to pull back, then I will take a trade. Okay, this is what I want to see. A bigger correction before I will get into the trade. Okay, don't want to be in these small trades. Okay, because small corrections, small trade. Big correction, big trade. Okay, simple as this. So your Aussie, if the Aussie is dropping, as we saw on Aussie USD, if Aussie is dropping, then do not expect this one to drop. Okay, this is still the buy setup over there. Okay, as we saw, this is the expanded flat, it's still in the play. Okay, nothing has changed, expanded flat still there, and these two keep on pushing hard. It can even tag the previous high. That totally depends what the Aussie USD will do. Okay, it all relies on Aussie USD. Let's see. If Aussie USD goes back at those lows, then definitely your Aussie will go higher. Okay, then definitely this will go back at the previous top, and you have to take a buy stops, right? So let it pull back. This will pull back. Okay, anytime soon we'll see the pullback over there, and this will be the movement which you should catch. Okay, this back at the previous high. Easy. Your New Zealand, nothing much. Okay, so ignore it. I'm ignoring it. Your chief went lower. There was a couple of sell stops. I didn't take it personally. I decided to trade yen pairs and dollar previous week, so didn't get into this trade. Your GBP trying to reverse. We are at the bottom of the structure, as you can see, losing some momentum over there, but still wave to downside exists, so be careful. And again, like I said, don't get in without having the deeper pullback. Okay, deeper pullback is what you want to see, so let it go higher, let it pull back, then you will come in. Okay, then you will start trading like you had over there. Okay, went up, pull back, get in, went up, pull back, get in. Okay, you should never ever be buying at the high. Okay, so keep an eye for all those who are new traders over there on the webinar. You always have to wait for the pullback. Don't ever chase the price at the top. Okay, that's not making sense. Even your risk to reward ratio will be bad, and your stop loss will not be safe. Okay, these are the main things, or the basic things, which you will have to understand if you are the new trader. Okay, try to understand it. Don't get in on the highs. So what else? Euro Polish zloty momentum, it's not there. Okay, so this could still go for the deeper correction over there and then going higher, lower. So non-tradable, let's keep it. It's bullshit chart. Euro Nokian went up higher, so what is trying to do over there, I will leave it as well. Okay, so Euro Polish zloty Nokian, let them do whatever they want to do. Okay, so if he will break out, then we need a pullback before we'll do anything, so ignore. Yen pairs, what the yen did the previous week, it gives us a tremendous profits. Okay, a lot of profits has been there on yen. So as you can see, there's the sell setup, there is again the sell setup. Okay, and another small sell setup. Okay, as you can see that there are bigger, smaller, and even smaller correction. That means we are running out of the momentum, and anytime soon we will have a deeper correction before more continuation to downside. Okay, as you can see over there. Okay, they always give you the bigger correction before they go aggressively. So if you're not in the trade from there, okay, then you should wait for the deeper correction and then take a trade back at the previous low. Okay, so all you have to do in the upcoming week is wait for the correction before taking the trades. All yen pairs are the same. Okay, so here are the trades that we were trading inside of the academy. So we were watching them closely, and that's what we are trading. We were trading there the yen pairs. As you can still see, setups are marked over there. Okay, those are the setups. There was the first sell, and another sell was over there. Another one was over there, but we closed on break even. It didn't move as we wanted, so we closed on break even and then we resell it again. Euro yen as well, nice trade over there. We were selling it. My personal trade was over there. Okay, so I have sold over there on the strong break to the downside. I have sold it and I took off my profit. Okay, as we can see, we are back at the previous low. I don't love to see any reactions over there, so I took off my profit and will wait now for the deeper correction. And the others who are not in the trade as well should wait for this kind of the correction before doing anything. Okay, before any sell, wait for this kind of the correction before selling. It's simple. Okay, how far this yen will go? Back at the previous low. Okay, as it looks like and as you can see. Okay, so let's say these two correct over there and then keep on pushing lower. CAD yen as well. What CAD yen is trying to do, going lower. Okay, so there was the nice correction over there. If you took a sell, great. If you didn't, there was another one, there was another one. If you did, now you cannot do anything. Okay, so again, wait for deeper correction before you will sell. Okay, so if we'll sum up all yen pairs, what we have to do is we have to wait for the deeper correction. We are somewhere there now and we need a deeper correction. That's what we are waiting on all the yen pairs, and then of course we will be selling again. Okay, we already make a nice profit and we will still be selling. Okay, yen still didn't finish its movement. We will take a look on the crypto, guys. Yes, we will take a look on crypto. Give me a couple more minutes to finish those currency pairs and then we will switch to crypto. Aussie USD, please. We already passed it. Okay, so let me just quickly show you. Aussie USD, nothing right now. Okay, what you have to do is wait for the correction and you will sell. Okay, you're now breaking the lows, so it's dangerous to sell. I do not recommend you chasing this price. Let it correct and then take a sell. Okay, or at least wait for 15-minute correction over there if you're skilled enough. Okay, wait for the correction, then you can sell back at the previous low. This is the target. Okay, so keep on selling. Selling is your target on Aussie USD. Okay, so back to the yen pairs. Chief yen, that one is struggling over there. One more high and then drop even back at the previous top. It's possible. So this will give us a bigger structure and then going lower. So which one? I cannot say exactly, but we will see, right? Okay, let me just delete this one. Okay, so these two keep on pushing higher. You know, that's what we are waiting for, and then to keep on selling, right? So this to sell then. Bigger correction, right? You see, everyone should see this flat over there in the middle, and then more sales to come. We will sell it from there. We will start watching it to sell. Okay, that can. It could struggle a whole week over there. New Zealand yen as well. Wait for the correction. But we are close to the previous low, so be careful. Don't chase the price now. Okay, don't chase the price now. Because we are at the previous low, and let it drop rather and then correction before you will sell. Okay, don't sell. You have many other yen pairs which are looking great rather than selling New Zealand yen. Okay, so ignore this one. This one is not tradable. Not tradable for you guys. We need a correction before we will chase. USD yen, the pair which is totally not tradable for me. Okay, so I'm completely ignoring those sells on USD yen. Okay, he's not moving as I want, and he's not moving with the momentum that I want. Okay, so there was the sell, and if you take a sell, look at that one. It's moving so slowly, and you need a lot of patience. So that's the reason why I don't like to trade the USD yen currently. Okay, currently I'm staying away from the dollar yen. It's not looking great, and yeah, I will keep staying away probably next 10 days. And I do prefer for every one of you stay away from it. Okay, pound USD pushing lower. Okay, really nicely pushing lower, breaking out of the structure that I have shared with you on TradingView. Okay, the idea is over there. Oh, come on, idea is over there. And what it did, it just went for the bigger correction and then breaks down aggressively. So great movement. Should you take a profit? You can take a profit, because now we will get the pullback. Okay, pullback and then revisit of the previous low. That totally depends what the dollar will do. Pound Aussie, as we know, if the Aussie USD is dropping, then this one will rising. Okay, so keep in mind where and how far back at this high at least. Okay, so watch for our buy setups over there and keep on buying if you want to buy the pound Aussie. Okay, it could be a nice trade as well, but 1 hour it's what you need. Okay, don't chase the lower time frame corrections. There was one and it's not moving, so bigger correction can appear over there. Okay, bigger correction can appear before this will continue its way to the upside. Pound chief went lower, so you can still sell it. Okay, but not right now. Okay, if you took this sell, keep an eye. Okay, if it drops, great, back at the previous low is your target. If not, if it starts to pull back, you know that there is the deeper correction which will come, and then this will take the previous low. Okay, so all corrections that I'm showing and sharing with you, they will develop during the week. Okay, they will develop during the week, and you should draw them, or you should expect them on your pairs. Okay, don't just jump in the trade. Okay, they will appear during the week. This is what we will wait, and you should do the same as well. Wait for those corrections, especially on the yen pairs. Okay, so let's move on. Pound New Zealand. This one will go lower. Now the question is how far this can go. We'll go back at a trend line only and then one more up, or it will totally break. So keep an eye there on 1 hour time frame over there. How this correction will start breaking. If that will be the aggressive break, then congratulations, you're having a nice trade back in the trend line. Pound CAD. It looks like the CAD, okay? It looks like the CAD will lose its strength across the market. So that means we will watch all the CAD pairs to buy, okay? We will watch. Okay? We will watch the XXX CAD pairs for buy. And we will watch the CAD for sell, right? So you have to understand this, how economies are working, okay? But that's a too deep, let's say that will take too long if I will go and explain you into details how those correlations works and so on. So I will not do over there, okay? I will not do this over there. Try to understand it by yourself. If not, then you are welcome in our academy, okay? We will teach you how to completely understand those correlations between the pairs and between the economies. So if we are watching this one for the buy, then CAD-XX will be a good sell. So as we know that yen is as well for gaining strength. So if we're watching the yen to gain strength, then good pair to watch will be the CAD yen. CAD yen sell will be the strongest one probably, okay? This will be the strongest one, and it can really fastly revisit the previous lows over there. Okay, so here's the quick education for every one of you. If you understand it, then great. If you're not, then you are welcome in our team. We will definitely teach you about it. So let's go. Catch if you see, it works like a magic. Okay, it works like a magic. If the cat is losing its strength, then we will sell it and buy the cat on the second place. Okay, this is the simple explanation. So catch if to keep on dragging lower. There was the correction, double top, and then keep on pushing lower. Okay, so this will probably go for one more correction, give us the running flat over there, and then will continue its way to the downside. Okay, simple. And our target will be the previous low. Okay, the total depends this week what the cat will do. Okay, so you see, by understanding one economy, you can forecast at least 5 pairs. Okay, at least 5 pairs you will be able to forecast if you'll understand what one single currency is doing or what one single economy is trying to do. But you don't need to read the fundamentals, okay? Fundamentals is not what you need or what you should read, because if you will read the fundamentals, you will get yourself in trouble. You will not understand anything. This will be the first problem. The second problem will be you miss the move, okay? Because when they start talking about something, you're already late, okay? So that's the big problems. So only stick to the candles. Like I'm always repeating, stick to the candles, stick to the patterns. The economy will reflect on the chart. If they are having a bad economy, they will reflect on the chart. If they are having a good economy, it will as well reflect on the chart. So anyway, if you know how to read the chart, if you know all those patterns, how they behave, you will know where the chart is moving. So don't watch the news or listen to the news. The politicians are lying. So liars. So let's go. Chief Nokian. Okay, yeah, I saw that already. The chief is gaining some strength across the market. Yeah, we'll check the Bitcoin. Let me finish the forex pairs. Gold. What do we have? The gold. Don't chase the gold. Gold, it's not in the good spots for a buy. Okay, so if you want to buy the gold, let it do whatever it wants to do. Let it correct before you'll take a buy back at this top again, okay? But without having this kind of the correction, don't chase the price, okay? Even 1 hour, it's running out of move, okay? So this is not the momentum that I'm expecting, okay? That's not the momentum that I want. So ignore the gold for now, ignore the silver, okay? Silver as well, let it pull back deeper, okay? Deeper pullback, it's what you want to see before going higher, back at those highs at least, okay? So sugar, let me speed up a little bit this webinar, I don't want to take too long. Sugar back at previous low, okay? Strong break to the downside. US oil, it's a good to watch for sell, okay? Oil, watch for a sell. If it starts breaking down aggressively, then great. And if oil starts breaking down aggressively, then it will affect the CAD, okay? That's that's how things are correlated in the economy. So once these will start dropping, the CAD will drop as well. So keep an eye on it, okay? But definitely watch the CAD for strong breaks to the downside, okay? How far it can go, at least back at this low, okay? Something like this. If it will stop and struggle there around the previous low, then it will go back at the top. Same with the UK oil. Watch for strong breaks to the downside, back at the previous low at least. If it will lose its momentum around the previous low, it will go for one more high and then it will drop aggressively, okay? This is how charts behaves at the top. So Nasdaq 100, all the indices were dropping nicely previous week, okay? We've been watching and selling them like crazy, okay? Indices went lower, lower, lower. All the indices went nicely. There was a lot of sell stop, okay? If you were watching, there's the setup, nice setup even there, okay? So I do not recommend you getting into the trade right now, so wait for the deeper corrections on all the indices, okay? You will not miss anything. UK 100, this one is good as well. We are still at the top, so you still have a chance to catch the trade over there, okay? You see these to go back at the previous trend line, or what I do expect is breakout, okay? I do anticipate a breakout of this channel, okay? I have shared the chart with you. This one is the best chart to trade. If you missed all the other indices, then this is the chart to watch, okay? Still have a room to make money. French gone, okay? Still wait for another correction and then take a trade, okay? Same there, let it break, let it correct, and then you'll take a trade. German 30 as well, wait for the deeper correction and then take a trade. JP, this is the correction and we may start going lower, but this one will be hard to trade if you don't know how. So Aussie 200, that's gonna go for the deeper correction probably, and then going lower, okay? So this is what will appear over there before you will sell. HK50, this one is struggling and needs a deeper correction or something like this. Tag the previous high and then drops again. China 50 as well, strong break to the downside is what you're anticipating. So okay, we are now back at the crypto. So crypto guys, where are you now? Hope you stay patient. We finally come to crypto. So hope guys you didn't chase the price since previous weekly market outlook, because the whole crypto is going down and they will keep going down, okay? So what you should do, those who are long-term buyers or those who are building long-term positions over there, yeah, probably some of them are crying in the corner. Yeah, quite possible. So what the crypto did, okay, the Bitcoin was the main reason. He's keep going lower and it will keep going lower, okay? So previous week one of you guys have sent me the question about if he missed the buy, okay? So we were somewhere there, I think, no, somewhere there, and he saw this part of the chart and he said, oh my gosh, I missed that wonderful buy on the Bitcoin. Then I said, don't worry, this is gonna go down again. And he was keep saying, no, I missed the opportunity, I didn't make money, I didn't build nice positions and so on. And guess what the market did? Look at that one. it just dropped lower. Why is this so? Because those who are new traders, they are completely ignoring the picture of this whole structure. Okay, they are watching just one part of the structure, like this one. Okay, you will be completely blind if you watch only this part of the structure. You have to watch the whole picture. Okay, the whole picture is it saying that we are going down and we will be keep going down. So based on that, Bitcoin will be keep going down, and I really do anticipate break of this low. Okay, 28k could be easily broken. Okay, this could be easily broken, and that doesn't mean we will just put an enter order over there and we'll start buying it. Okay, so no, that doesn't work. So you want to see this to tag the low, lose its momentum, and then we will decide to start buying. Okay, don't buy on the first touch. Okay, look at that one. They always struggle, lose its momentum before they went up. So what they will do, they will lose its momentum before it will start pushing higher. Okay, so don't run, don't jump in the trade, because it will not turn that easily and not fast. But once they will do, and once the Bitcoin will turn, then there will be the amazing opportunity for the buy. Okay, so that's gonna be a nice opportunity for buy next year. Okay, it could easily go back to 100k. Okay, 100k it could be easily reached based on this structure there which we are having currently. Okay, that totally depends now how this will struggle and how long does it take and so on. Probably next 4 months. Okay, next 4 months we should struggle over there. Okay, and after 4 months then I do see that the Bitcoin will start gaining. Okay, and push really high, and it could go really fast as well. So don't think that you will miss anything. There it will be still a lot of flags. The chart will show you when it's time to buy and so on, so you don't need to rush, you need to build early positions. So quick explanation. Okay, so hope you guys understand it, what I'm trying to say. So those who are the leverage traders, you can keep on selling. Okay, the corrections will still appear over there, something like this, going lower, probably tag the low, going higher, some flat, and then one more break to the downside. Okay, so this is what we can have over there, or what is even better, to pull back like this, deeper correction. Okay, I love to see this kind of deeper pullback like it did over there. Okay, so look at that one, I love it. Okay, so I will really love it if this will appear over there and then boom, hit the previous low. Then finally we will start preparing or watching ourselves for a nice buys over there. Okay, so this is it. This is what I do anticipate with the Bitcoin. Nothing special, so don't jump in too early, like I said. Okay, it's still time, you don't need to push. So the other altcoins as well, they will go lower. Okay, so I don't see them going higher. Okay, sheep not looking good. Maybe it will go for the deeper correction. Okay, as you can see over there, 1 to 3 and then deeper. Okay, one more wave back at the previous lows. Okay, somewhere there, even lower, sorry, they will go even lower, so be careful. ADA, okay, there was a question about the ADA. Cardano, it's quite popular there on social sites especially. Okay, so we reached those targets which we were aiming. Okay, we were aiming to tag that low, and that doesn't mean anything. Okay, if we reach this one, that doesn't mean that's completed and we will start buying. No, definitely that's not the case. What we have to do is wait for the loss of momentum, which we are currently not having. So what else can we have? This could become 1, 2, 3. We will have a deeper correction again, and one more break at previous low. Okay, something like this, and then it will start to struggle over there, and then it will finally start pushing higher. So guys, wait more. Don't be patient. Don't be impatient. Sorry. You have to be patient because this is still not ready. Okay, if you watch the daily chart, okay, this could still struggle over there. Okay, something like this before going higher. Look at that one. Okay, how they are struggling. The same can appear over there, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then they will go. Okay, the same stuff can appear over there. So don't chase the price. There is no buy setup currently, and it will not appear during next week. Okay, it can go, but this buy will be short term. Okay, short term buy, back at this low and then back at this low, and then again high and then low again. Okay, keep an eye. Dash USDT as well. It's going dragging back at the previous low, and then it will go probably in the flat and more downside. Okay, so there was a nice amazing sell stops for those who are the leverage traders. Okay, those who are the leverage traders, they supposed to see this, and they supposed to see those sell stops. Okay, and congratulations for all them who are the leverage traders there and who took a sales. The others, what you should do, let them to correct and more downside. Okay, spot traders should wait. Spot traders should wait. There's nothing yet. Okay, that didn't even lose its momentum. Okay, we don't have something like this over there, so don't chase the buy. Okay, don't chase the buy, it's too early. USDT going down, and it can easily revisit the previous low. Now the question is the correction. Okay, so again, flat to appear and more downside. Okay, as you can see that most of the crypto pairs are having the same structure, or we are anticipating the same moves on all the crypto pairs, on the altcoins, let's say like that. So during the previous week there was a nice sell, and yeah, I don't see any buys that really for spot traders. This opportunity now is for leverage traders. We are keep on building sell stops, and this could just go deep, okay, but don't buy the deep, because you can also buy the top. Okay, so yeah, this one has a big move. Okay, look at that one, Ethereum USD. Look at that one, it still has its room to move lower, and it even didn't lose its momentum for sell. So don't play with any buy, guys. Wait for those lows to be tagged or to be visited. Okay, let the price visit that low. LTC going down as well, and correction, more downside. XMR, same there, correction, more downside. Okay, all the crypto is going down nicely. Okay, I'm just laughing because I just remember one guy who is saying that he lost a lot of money on the crypto. Okay, he didn't listen, he was just doing his own stuff. So look at that one, all the time there was a sell stops, there are no any chance to see a buy setup. However you will turn, there's no buy setup. So new USDT, or let's see what it's trying to do. They can as well visit the previous lows. Okay, so that could be visited really fastly. Okay, so be aware. I really do feel sorry for all those who were trying to buy the dip over there. Okay, I really feel sorry for those guys who trying to buy the dip over there, and those highs basically. Okay, with not understanding the charts, and they didn't know what are they doing. They were just influenced by the Instagram and Facebook traders. Okay, there are a lot of professional traders on Instagram and Facebook, because I'm always reading the comments, people talking about what they should invest and how to invest and so on. I'm just keep laughing. Okay, they are completely blind. They have no idea what they are saying. Okay, no knowledge, no experience, nothing, 0.0. Okay, no knowledge at all, and they are giving the advices to the other traders what they should do. And it's really funny. it's a big trending now on social sites. So yes, still don't buy anything that could easily revisit the previous lows. But leverage traders, keep on selling. Every flag that you see for selling, sell. Okay, it's still gonna go back at lows. Okay, this one as well. Look at that one. This could easily go back at low as well. Dogecoin loses its momentum really nicely. How far? They can go nicely down even deeper. Okay, something like this before going higher. So let them go down close to the zero. Okay, altcoins can go really back at the zero, and GTU USDT is the same. Okay, this one is the correction for sell. Keep on pushing lower, dragging lower, deeper. And what else? Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance to go back at the top. Okay, this is the low. This was the low. And what the Bitcoin dominance is trying to do, we will go back at the previous top. Okay, up there, and then we'll go lower. That's what I see, and it clearly it's showing what the price is trying to do or what the altcoins are trying to do. Same there, down. Okay, so really I don't see any buy setup, guys. No opportunity, just sell. Okay, leverage traders, push the sell buttons. I didn't mean like that. Okay, so wait for the flag, of course. Okay, wait for the flag before selling, but definitely sell like crazy. Okay, I have shared there the Luna chart with you. Okay, as well, if you took a sell there is another opportunity, two opportunity, the third one it's already in the making, so sell, of course. Luna can as well go lower, TLM as well, pushing lower, back at the previous low, there's still some room, flat can appear and then even deeper. Okay, I think that the crypto traders are having red days. Red numbers across the crypto. Okay, so don't search now for the pair who is going up, because he will go down as well. Okay, any questions? Crypto market is keep dragging lower. So no buy setup, okay? No buy setup is over there. Keep on dragging lower. Do you have any questions? One Lambo. Tomorrow. I already ordered one. Okay, so to sum up, what we will do in the upcoming week, we will sell the crypto, we will sell the indices, we will try to buy the dollar, basically what it will do. Okay, so the dollar is not clear yet, but definitely we'll watch for the buy over there on the crypto, on the DXY, sorry. This for keep on pushing higher. That's what I do anticipate. If it drops lower, then we will change the setups. Okay, change the setups, and as it looks like the CAD is losing its momentum across the market, so probably the CAD will be a nice opportunity for the next weeks. Okay, next few weeks the CAD will be the good to watch. So CAD on the second place to buy and CAD on the first place to sell. So that means that CAD losing its momentum across the market. So that's what we will do. Yen pairs, corrections. Okay, you need the corrections on all yen pairs, and then we will sell more. That's it basically. Okay, and oil, yeah, of course, oil, it's what we have to keep an eye. This for the strong break to the downside. Okay, and indices, Nasdaq more down, SP more down, US 30 down, UK down. UK 100 is the only one which still are giving you the nice potential. Okay, so if you miss the rest, then focus on UK 100 for sell stops and then keep on going lower. Okay, and crypto to sell. I think this is all for the next upcoming week. Stay patient, this is what I can recommend you. Okay, don't just jump into the trade, wait for the setup to appear before you will trigger your trade. And yeah, that's all. Questions? No questions. That's great. So everything is crystal clear. Crystal clear setups. That's great. So you guys know what to do. I really anticipate you guys will send me the pictures with profit. Thank you as well, Queen Desk. I do appreciate all the comments. Thank you very much for being there. So what I will please you guys is just hit that like button. Okay, please hit the like button there on YouTube, and for those who are watching me as well on TradingView, please hit the like button. And if you want to help the others, share the link with them. Okay, share the link with others. You may help someone who is still struggling, who still don't understand what to do, where to buy, where to sell, and so on. So take care, enjoy your day, and see you next week. Bye bye.